fear I feel when the noise starts dying down? Is it true that there's a place for you when the sun burns out? Don't you fear that it's too late to turn the tide? These machines were never built to make things right.
Wake me now. The world outside is dying while we slowly drown. Not living, just surviving. Locked in your paradise, a sanctuary burns while you play God. As above, so below, so below.
Is there a cure? The sky obscured and the monsters crawling out. I'm not scared, I won't die in here while the world burns down. Don't you feel